Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to improve close range in BGMI. First, let's talk about your settings. Optimizing your sensitivity is crucial for quick reflexes and accurate shots in close quarters. Experiment with different values to find what feels best for you, ensuring smooth aiming and rapid target acquisition. Also, a comfortable custom control layout can significantly enhance your movement. Next, mastering your movement is key. Employing jiggle and crouch movements makes you a much tougher target for enemies to hit, especially in tight spaces. Always anticipate where opponents might appear and pre-aim your crosshair at head level. This gives you a significant advantage, allowing for instant shots. Furthermore, using cover wisely minimizes your exposure, letting you peek and shoot safely. Now, let's focus on the camera unit and display. If you've ruled out fuses and wiring, the camera itself might be the problem. If possible, test the camera with a different display to see if it works. If not, a replacement camera unit might be necessary. Also, check your infotainment screen for any software issues or display malfunctions. Sometimes, a simple system reset of the infotainment unit, as outlined in your owner's manual, can resolve display problems. Finally, consistent practice and a strong mindset are indispensable. Spend at least 15 minutes every day in the training grounds, focusing on close-range drills. Engaging in team deathmatch is also excellent for honing your reflexes and gun skills against real players. Remember to stay calm under pressure, but also be aggressive when the opportunity arises. This combination will significantly boost your close-range game.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.